Today is our first ever Fine Arts Assembly here at Beech Springs Middle School. March is Fine Arts in our school's month. We will be celebrating some fantastic performances from our students.
It's a special opportunity to be able to perform in front of all of them, and it's a little nerve-wracking, but I think they're going to be proud of what we've cooked up.
I think it's a fantastic opportunity for these students to be able to watch what we do. Most of the time, it's usually just parents, family members, some close friends who are able to watch what our students do, for them to be able to see how much hard work our students are putting in. Most of the time, they don't get a chance to share with their classmates. We tend to be in our quote-unquote bubble, especially for all the fine arts classes. And for them to be able to showcase this to them in a setting that we offered, I think it's fantastic.
I talk about theater a lot to my friends who aren't in it, but they don't really understand it when I explain it, but getting to perform it in front of them, it's been really fun.
Such an honor to be a part of this, and I think many should be a part of it, just to experience what it's like to be in a fine art.